Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. We are currently holding just below the yellow trend line here on our weekly time frame. Just wanted to highlight this again. This is absolutely critical that the bulls break above this yellow trend line. It currently keeps the price down. Resistance here is around 98 cents. And we continue to hold in the upper half of that range. Yeah, I mean, we've been tracking this range here since the top in December last year. It's been a year, and again, you can see that Q4, yeah, the fourth quarter, is typically quite bullish for ADA. Yeah, you can see how the rally occurred here in September, October, November 24. You can see how the same happened in 2023. It can make sense to at least watch for that same potential to unfold in October, November, December 2025. It doesn't have to happen like that, okay? But it often is Q4. Now, ADA, you might remember that from 2021, ADA was one of the earlier coins to form a major price top. That was actually before Q4, whereas a lot of other coins were late October, November, December. So, and then obviously we headed into the bear market, and there was nothing to laugh there, for the bulls. But what happens very often is Q4 is frequently bullish. Again, just didn't happen in 2021, but the last 2 years were like that, and we also see it when we look at seasonalities across the crypto sector. Oftentimes, October, November, December are looking good. Now, let's also take a look here at the ADA daily chart. Here, it's just important to recognize, hold on. It's important to recognize that there is a support area that we're still watching, which, however, doesn't need to be tested anymore. It was already tested in August. This support area is between 57.8 cents and 68.9 cents here, our daily support area. Yeah, but we're currently consolidating just below this trend line. So overall, I'm watching for higher prices here. And if we then take a look at the ADA short-term chart, yeah, this is now where the bulls need to make a decision, right? What we've seen from the September low is a rally that looks more like a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move. But it could be the A wave of a larger third wave to the upside. If this entire move up is an ending diagonal pattern, we talked about that. So at the moment, the focus is on whether the bulls can hold this micro support area. This 81.6 cent level should ideally hold to keep this white scenario alive, which could eventually take us above that yellow trend line I showed you on the larger time frame. What you also see here is a resistance area between 89 cents and 93 cents. This is Fibonacci resistance. It's currently being respected. The price could push a little higher into resistance. And then if we see a 5-wave move down from there, then this would be a signal that the orange scenario is taking the lead. I would prefer the white scenario, but obviously the levels will tell us the truth. Any break below 81.6 cents specifically would suggest that, we are in the orange scenario and the focus is on the lower support area. For now, my focus is on whether the bulls can generate now a 5-wave move up from here. That would be a signal that the move up to $1 plus is unfolding. We need a break above this resistance area, and we need a 5-wave move up. So that's what I'm watching for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be our signal. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership. And also, if you're interested in additional updates, check out our X channel for additional updates, news, memes, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.